Okay guys, sa video na ito ay mag quick shots tayo. Quick shots. Right, click lang natin tong dito. Tapos ito may quick shots na. Yan, meron tayong drone, ganon. Ganon na itsura, ganon, ganon. Tapos yung rocket. Yan, kaibabaw. Ang circle. Yun. Circle. Boomerang. Ay, helix pala yan. Ito naman ang boomerang. Okay. So, magsimula tayo sa drone. Drone. So, start lang natin yung drone. Start. Top. Obstacle sensing avoidance. Starting.
3,
2, 1. Let's go. Palayo pala, palayo ng palayo. So, ganun lang yun. Ganun lang yun sa kalayo. Returning. Quick shots complete. Okay. Ganun lang kalayo. Sa rocket naman tayo. Rocket. Starting. Top object. Okay. Start.
3,
So, 3, 2, 1. Sa ibabaw pala talaga siya. Tapos circle naman, wala na ang mga wak. Tirahin na natin to. Okay, top. Start.
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Start. Circle. Okay, done. Circle. Tapos boomerang naman tayo. Helix. Helix naman tayo. Okay, start tayo. Helix. Top. And start.
3,
2,
2,
1. Helix. Done. Return na. Right, tapos na tayo sa helix. Sa boomerang naman tayo. Start. Click lang. Okay, so start na tayo.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Boomerang. So kung magpapalipad kayo ng ganito guys ay make sure na walang masasabitan ng sa open space kayo. Okay, so yun lang ang ating quick shots.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best. best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.